Speak here, please, and the judge is right there on the screen. I'm sorry?
You're missing a file.
It's not advisable, but probably yes. It will have to ask the judge.
Number 8.
And don't discuss the facts of the case whatsoever, because that's not what she's here for.
What is your full name, sir?
William Eric Walston.
Mr. Walston, you have 2 separate felony charges. One's a burglary in 3rd degree and theft from May 15th of 2024. And then you have a separate one for burglary in 3rd degree, theft, and attempted kidnapping from May 15th of 2024. I am going to enter pleas of not guilty. Let you know you do have a constitutional right to remain silent, to be represented by an attorney. You do have an attorney who is seated next to you representing you for this evening's hearings. Mr. Wilson, you also had a fugitive warrant for felony warrant for your arrest for charges involving aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument and aggravated assault resulting in temporary but substantial disfigurement. The case is from June 30th of 2024. I am going to quash the warrant, enter pleas of not guilty. County Attorney's Office, what is your recommendation regarding bonds?
Your Honor, in the first in time case, which both of the interim complaints listed the same May date. That first incident lists a report number for January 29th, 2024, and that's the incident involving the attempted kidnapping. For that incident, Your Honor, we're recommending a $20,000 bond because Mr. Walston does have 8 prior felony convictions. He pretrial noted 3 or more violent convictions in his history. For the May incident, we are recommending a $15,000 bond because of the felony history. And for the June incident, in which it's alleged Mr. Walston used a machete and assaulted another individual, that person was injured, we're recommending a $50,000 bond.
And Mr. Kaler, just to let you know, the 2 interim complaints that are new, there's just 1 minute entry. So just want to let you know that. Oh, okay. All right, Ms. Lyon.
Your Honor, given that there are 3 separate issues, I'm asking the court to consider no more than $2,000 on each matter. I recognize that there are some serious allegations, and I recognize that Mr. Walston has a bit of a history, but we would ask you to consider that he has not got the financial means to post anywhere near $15,000, let alone $50,000. And ultimately, he does have the presumption of innocence at this point in time, since we have not yet had a trial. I would ask that you also consider that it looks like, according to pretrial, that a mental health assessment may be warranted, and we would ask that you consider allowing him opportunity to have that evaluation done through pretrial services. So $2,000 in each case plus pretrial services seems to be appropriate. And then in addition, he has asked me to, if he could speak. I recommended against discussing the facts of the cases.
All right, Mr. Walston, you'll be able to speak to your attorney who's going to be from the public defender's office. They'll come visit you soon. With your new charges, your bond is set at $20,000. No contact with the victims. Don't go back to the incident locations. Possess no firearms or weapons. Public defender's office is appointed. Your preliminary hearing is set September 5th at 1:30 p.m. Regarding a fugitive warrant case, your bond is set at $25,000. No contact with the victims. Public defenders appointed. Your preliminary hearing is September 5th at 1:30 p.m. Your attorney will be in contact with you soon. Thank you.
So I can't say nothing?
If you'd like to say, make a statement, sir, about your
Yes.
condition, yes, go ahead.
About your release only. Ask her.
What is a fugitive warrant? Where is the fugitive warrant at?
It looks like they had charged you with, it's not a fugitive warrant, sir. It's actually a felony arrest warrant. It was for the aggravated assault involving a deadly weapon and an aggravated assault involving injury. That case was from June 30th of 2020, for, so they entered an arrest warrant for your arrest on those felony charges. Your attorney can explain more details of that case to you when they see you at the jail. Thank you, sir. Everyone's excused. Thank you.